Downtown Madison's only addiction clinic is set to close its doors on Friday, leaving many in the area to find other ways to get help.
Our Braden Ross spoke to the clinic owner about the decision to close and how patients will be affected. Braden?
There are several addiction clinics across Madison providing medical care for those struggling with substance abuse. But right now, there's only one downtown, and after that, this Friday, that number will be 0. But addiction specialists say there's still plenty of help available.
Helping folks with addiction is emotionally exhausting and also extremely rewarding.
Dr. Michael Replinger has spent the last 3 years running Monarch Health, downtown Madison's only addiction clinic.
I'm proud to say we've helped well over 1,000 people in their opioid and alcohol recovery process.
But this Friday, he's closing the doors for good.
It just simply came to the point of we could no longer do it without facing bankruptcy ourselves.
The big contributors, insurance woes.
If you're not in network with these insurers, their payment is next to nothing, if anything.
And waning patient attendance.
We were seeing on the order of 30% of our appointments no showing on any given day.
The clinic's sudden closure leaves those who rely on it in a tough spot.
It's a scramble for the whole community.
Addiction service providers like Joe Gailey say losing a clinic in such a prime location is a big hit.
It's right on the corner, it's downtown, it's right by the Beacon, it's right by the bus stop.
But Gailey says it's not cause for panic.
It is unfortunate that this place is closing, but behind the scenes, our community partners, which I've witnessed, have also been getting together behind the scenes and talking about how we can support the people that are going through this.
Replinger says he's also made plans to make sure his patients can still find the help they need.
While I did not want this to happen, I wanted to have a plan in place in case it did.
Replinger told me he's working to transfer all of his patients over to Hannah Medical Clinic in Middleton. Gailey says Safer Communities and other similar organizations are also available to help connect people with treatment.
Braden, thank you. And as the Addiction Center prepares to close, City of Madison is seeing a spike in drug overdoses. Public Health Madison-Dane County says in the last 2 days, paramedics have responded to 9 overdoses with patients needing Narcan. 2 people died. The agency is issuing a public health alert because of these recent overdoses. It's unknown what's driving the spike. Possibly the makeup of street drugs has changed and could include a new mixture of opiates, fentanyl, and other drugs.